Hello amazing friends! Here's a mini vlog on the ovens that I am using. This oven is Hanabishi brand. It has a top and bottom heat. Kasya sa kanya yung 2 pieces na 7 inches round pan, a small cookie sheet, a 12 pieces muffin or cupcake pan. Kasya rin sa kanya yung loaf pan. I got this oven about 10 or 12 years ago, so I am no longer familiar with the price of this. This oven is very recommended for beginners. So kung medyo tight yung budget, I guess this oven is perfect since it can bake naman evenly. This oven naman is a convection oven. Metastone yung brand niya. I got this 6 years ago. Kasya sa kanya yung 3 pieces na 8 inches or 4 pieces na 6 inches round pan. Kasya rin sa kanya yung big na cookie sheet, yung 12 by 16 na cookie sheet. By the way, ang difference lang nila, yung isa is analog which is I bought for 21,000 and the digital for 26,000. But unfortunately, Metastone is closed na sa lahat ng branches dito sa Philippines due to pandemic. I can say pa naman that this brand is very recommended din kasi hindi pa ako nagkaroon ng issues while I'm using this. This oven naman is Unox Bakerlux Ariana yung model. I got this last year for 94,000 from Blizzard. This oven is digital. It is also a convection oven. Ang difference lang niya with Metastone, yung sa Unox na-adjust yung lakas ng fan or na ito-turn off din siya. Meron din siyang steam. So when your recipe calls for steam, this oven is perfect for you. This particular oven also is the one that I am using when I am baking macarons. Kasi sobrang galing niya. You can bake 4 trays at a time. By the way, nung nabili ko siya, kasama na tong mga cookie sheet na to. Kasama na siya sa package. Tapos meron din siyang free na oven cleaner. And iba-iba yung model ng Unox. Meron din siyang digital. Parang nasa 40,000 mahigit lang din siya. Kasya sa kanya yung 4 na by 12 na muffin or cupcake pan. So kung nagbebenta kayo ng muffin, cupcake, or cookies, this oven is perfect for you kasi kaya niyang i-bake yung 4 trays at a time na even yung distribution ng heat. So even din yung pagkakaluto ng baked products. Yung door niya is double walling siya ng glass. So makikita nyo na talagang matibay siya. So this is my 4th oven that I am showing right now. Iba-iba kasi ako ng oven talaga na ginagamit. Depende kung ano yung ibibake ko. But if you are a beginner, hindi naman necessary na ganun. This oven naman is my deck oven. Particularly ginagamit to sa breads, sa cakes. Hindi siya convection, so wala siyang fan. Medyo nakakatakot magsalang ng macarons dito. I haven't tried yet kasi medyo natatakot ako. Alam niyo naman ang mahal ng almond flour. Kasya sa oven na to yung tatlong 12 by 16 na flat sheet or 10 pieces na size 8 round pan sa taas and another 10 pieces size 8 round pan sa baba. So nakaka-bake ako ng 20 pieces na 8 inches round pan at a time. By the way, yung ignition niya is electric. pero gas oven siya. So far, I can say na matipid naman siya sa LPG kasi nung naggamit kami nito, na-observe ko, nagbe-bake kami every other day, parang tumagal siya ng 3 months. So that's it for now, guys. Sana medyo nakatulong ako sa pag-review ng mga ovens na ginagamit ko. Send me a message, guys, kung meron kayong gustong ipa-vlog. I'll try my very best. Bye, guys!